Greetings and welcome to the channel. I decided today that what I would do is get out on the Kawasaki W800. I actually went out yesterday on the 26th of May 2024, and I did quite a bit of riding all the way out to New Hampshire and then down the Connecticut River a little bit and then all the way back. So I got some really good scenery, and I just thought I'd share a little bit of a taste of the scenery that you'll see if you're attending the W Series rally here in New England for 2024. The other thing I wanted to show on this video is I've been messing around with different ways to help with the wind noise. And so what I had done is I had redone the wind muff and put it on with the double-sided tape, but tried to leave a hole in the center where the specific recording devices, the microphones on the GoPro 10. I didn't want to use super glue at this point, but I might have to go there. It's better. It's not great, but it is a good example of what you'll see here. I do hope that if you're in the vicinity or able to make the trek, that we do see you at the first annual, hopefully, New England Kawasaki W Series Rally. I hope you have a very good day. Keep the shiny side up, keep the rubber side down, and as always, keep it wheel.